Here in our sales module, currently we have defined two functions, but we can also write any statements, and these statements will be executed the first time this module is loaded. So if we import this module in a few different modules in our program, Python will load this module only once and then cache it in memory. So the statements that we write here will be executed once. As an example, let's print something like sales initialized. Now let's go back to our app module. To quickly look up a file, you can press Command and P on Mac or Control and P on Windows. Here we can type app.py. There we are. Now when we run this program, you can see our sales module is initialized. Using the same technique, we can write the initialization code for our packages. So once again, Command and P on Mac or Control and P on Windows. We can go to the init file for the e-commerce package and print e-commerce initialized. Now let's go to our app module, run the program again. As you see, first our e-commerce package and then the sales module are initialized. Now let's take this to the next level. Let's go to our sales module and print the name of this module. So as you learned in the last lecture, every module has a built-in name attribute that is automatically created for us. So save the changes, back to app module. Let's run our program. So as you see, here's the name of our module, that is ecommerce.shopping.sales. However, if we go to sales.py and run this file, the name of our module is changed to main. So the name of the module that starts our program is always main. Now we can do something interesting. Let me show you. So I'm going to delete this initialization code on the top. After we define these functions, I'm going to write some code like this. If name equals main with 2 underscores, I'm going to print sales started and then call the calculate tax function. With this code, we can make this file usable as a script as well as a reusable module that we can import into another module. So if we run this file directly, the name of this module will be main, and here we can have any initialization code, or we can call one of the existing functions in this module. However, if we import this module into another module, this code will not be executed because at that point, the name of this module will no longer be main. It will be ecommerce.shopping.sales.